Okay, this is Nick with Renova Contractors. I'm here with
Hello.
Maggie. We recently installed a soaking tub for her, as well as installed a double vanity with two medicine cabinets, and did the backsplash tile around the top. And I just want to give Maggie an opportunity to talk about the process of how it started, how it went, and on what note we finished.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks, Nick. Nick has been an amazing contractor. I've worked with quite a few here in Seattle area, and this has been one of the best experiences we've had. It started with Nick coming in and coming up with a very strong plan, very clear estimates. I knew exactly what we were getting ourselves into, what the surprises could be when you're doing plumbing, what is more predictable, and we stayed mostly on plan for everything. So thank you. All the work was done really well. I think I got a little nitpicky about some things, and they handled everything. But there was very little to be nitpicky about, so that was also kind of nice. And all the things that I wanted, I did change some things myself, which I was worried we wouldn't have time to do, but we were able to. And they also did a couple of extra projects for me while here. So
Yes, we
thanks so much, Nick.
did the second
Yeah,
and first
yeah,
story. So thank you for the opportunity. It was a pleasure,
yeah.
and no problem about nitpicking. It's definitely no problem.
I think it's just nice polish. It was very
Yes.
nice. It all came out very nice. And we've taken baths in this tub now, and it's everything that we wanted. Thanks so
Okay.
much, Nick.
Thank you very much. Take care.